Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the affiliate marketing and its wonders. So basically I have started creating the templates on marketplace of Glorify from the last month and I have earned $300 just from the affiliate commission. I'm going to show you each and every step one by one in this video. Just follow along with me. Let's dive in. So guys, as you remember, we designed some beautiful product images a few days ago, as you can see. So what else Glorify offers is that we can earn money through our templates by listing them on their marketplace, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So just giving you a brief recap that we have created hero images, 3 sets of hero images, and then a lifestyle image and the call out image, the website banners, the social media posts and the Facebook advert, and the Amazon storefront images. Now what I did is I have created some beautiful mock-up for them by going in the pages section. Here, as you can see, I have prepared 4 mock-up scenes for our template. So these are the mock-ups which I am going to upload on my Lemon Squeezy store. That store is created easily. If you have any questions regarding how you can get a store approved, you can ask me about that, and let me show you the store which I have created. As you can see, it's known as Justify Design, same as my channel name. Here are some templates which I have created for the Glorify. As you can see, here are templates. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new template on my store, and I can give you some stats as well. As you can see, Lemon Squeezy offers the email subscribers as well, which I can generate an email campaign as well. So let me show you how this works. So as you can see, this is the order page where I can see how many orders I got from the period of 2 March to 1st April. So at the very start, this is actually Glorify's new feature, the template marketplace, where users are putting the designs and are getting the commission. So that is how I got around $300 affiliate commission by listing my templates over this website for free. I will tell you each and everything. If you have any questions, just drop in the comments and I will respond to them. From here, I am going to add a new product. The product here, this one, the images which I have created, and I'm going to sell them on the Glorify. So first thing is the name, and I have written everything here. So the name of the template is here. Now it says write a description. Now the description I have got it from here, and so don't worry about this description. You will get everything from the ChatGPT. It's easy. You just need to write out the details of your template and ChatGPT will give you everything. So here is the pricing model. It depends on you. If you want to list the template for any specific price, you can do that, but at the moment I'm going to do it for free because I am getting the money from the affiliate commission. So if you have a mood to sell your templates for a specific price, you can do that, because some of the designers are doing that as well. So for example, this designer is selling this template for the $9.9, but most of my templates are listed for free. And let's say the price is 0. So here I'm going to add the media. The media files are basically these images. So let me show you what exactly the images look like. So here we are going to add 4 images because that is required. Now you can see there are the 4 images. Now we are going to do the same thing for here. So let's open up the files, mockup 1, mockup 4 image. So here we have uploaded all of our media files. Now here it says if you want to upload your file. So actually we have the editable link of file, so we are not going to upload anything here. What we are going to do is go to the confirmation model. In the button text we can write assess your template, because this is automatically done by the Lemon Squeezy. So we are going to just only write the button text, which is assess your template, and in the button link we are going to add our template link. So in the template link, as you can see, my affiliate referral code is here. So question mark and ref equals to Hassan Mahmood. So that is my referral link, and I'm going to copy that template link and paste it in the button link. So every time a person clicks on my template, I'm going to get a commission if he converts on the Glorify from being a free user to a paid user, then I'm going to get 30% flat commission, which I'm getting right now as well. So here we have all things ready. Just tweak a bit of these things so that we can highlight everything and present the things in a nice way. So that's how we do that. Now let's add few things more, which is the template sizes. Template sizes I have done are the hero image, 3 hero images, lifestyle image, call out image, 3x, so here I have written everything the template includes, which sizes it includes. Now I'm going to use another thing which says fonts used. So we are going to put the font names we have used in our template. So it's Alexandra and Weber's New. So these are the fonts we have used. Now let's make these things bold and everything is looking good. So let's see how our product looks like. The product is saved. Now let's head back to our store and see where is our newly added product image. So here we see template product image. So it's looking really nice and beautiful. As you can see, we have all the copy and the images ready. So we are going to move these to the Glorify team and they are going to upload that template and we are going to get the commissions. Now let me show you how many sales and how many clicks I have got on my affiliate account. So from here you can see the dashboard of the Tap affiliate account which I have, and here you can see the number of clicks I am getting through this marketplace is just an amazing number actually. So I have got 50 clicks from USA, 17 from India, 16 from UK, and the conversions which I have got are from the 2 from United States and 1 from Indonesia. And these are the pending commissions. So here the pending commission means when a user signs up for a Glorify account and after 30 days these commissions get finally approved and I get a 30% of commission. So here as you can see I have got an affiliate commission of this amount, and from 30% commission of this, 30% of this, and 30% of this. And you can see this is just the start, and I have started doing it right now. And I would like to suggest every designer who is getting low sales from the freelancing or anything, they can just simply come on Glorify, create an account and start creating templates for the marketplace, and they can earn in thousands. I am hoping that in thousands people are going to earn through the Glorify affiliate commission and the Glorify marketplace. And that's all for this video. I'm going to add everything in the video description, like the link on how you can become an affiliate, how you are going to submit your template on the marketplace, and you just have to sign up to the Glorify and create your account and then start designing the templates, and let's populate the marketplace with some beautiful templates. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next videos. Bye.